Atishi, I would not like to speak on governance deficit or anarchy, which because that debate is already going on with so many people. Now, since AAP wants to make an electoral debut in national politics and wants to contest Lok Sabha elections, I would like to ask you one specific question on national ideology of AAP. Do you support caste-based reservations? Because Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has spoken several times on the platform of Youth for Equality, the anti-reservation movement. The minister in your government, Mr. Saurabh Bhardwaj, has been an active volunteer of Youth for Equality, and they have all spoken against reservations in the past. Now there seems to be a complete U-turn with people like Yogendra Yadav now supporting caste-based reservations to grab votes in Haryana. So, as you have already said, any national policy or stand you will take, you will consult your volunteers, the people of Delhi, and I challenge you to go back to the volunteers of AAP and ask them, will they like AAP to indulge in this caste-based politics and also caste and religion-based reservation? Because जहाँ तक हमें पता है, AAP के volunteers को लगता है आरक्षण जाति के आधार पे नहीं, गरीबी के आधार पर होना चाहिए. And I challenge you, आप अपने volunteers से जाके ये पूछें और योगेंद्र यादव जी को माफी मांगने के लिए कहें.
That's an important point. Now, when you're in power, you're acting like all the other parties, and once again, the claps are against the Aam Aadmi Party. Yes, Atishi, respond.
First of all, let me make this very clear that we have not so far either said that we are in favor of caste-based reservations or against it.
No, I interviewed Yogendra Yadav.
No, let me complete
in
what
that
I'm
interview,
saying.
Yogendra Yadav accepted that the party is in favor of caste-based reservations.
Let me complete.
Yes, absolutely.
Let me complete what I'm saying.
No, it's a fact correction. Please do not misquote.
No,
please do not. Please. I have videos on record.
No, you have to let me. You must let me. No, you must let me complete what I'm saying.
Madam. With all due respect. With all due respect to Mr. Yadav also, he has a right to have an opinion. He has said that Aam Aadmi Party is in favor of increasing caste-based reservation.
No.
Is it an official stand? And if not, AAP must really give a press release that they do not support his views and Aam Aadmi Party is against caste-based reservations. Are you willing to do that? Don't double speak, please.
May I answer?
Now you
First of all, yes. First of all, he was misquoted in the newspaper Economic Times.
Did you misquote him?
We did
you?
I can
He
send you
took
the
you took his interview.
Atishi, we did a TV interview. I'll send you the clip.
No,
you're now beginning to sound like the BJP and the Congress.
Hey, don't take our name. We haven't done that. No.
But you're sounding like the BJP and the Congress. That's the reality. Atishi, answer the question.
First of all, in our Delhi manifesto.
Yes.
In our Delhi manifesto.
Go on, Atishi.
In our Delhi manifesto, we have said clearly that we support the card-based reservations that exist currently, but
Aam Aadmi Party supports caste-based reservations.
But
now you go back and ask your volunteers who decided this policy. Mr. Yogendra Yadav cannot impose his policies of caste on Aam Aadmi Party. They are supposed to go back and ask the people and the volunteers. You cannot indulge in caste-based politics.
Okay.
Not for reservation. The mandate was against corruption and not for reservation. You cannot deviate now, and it's an official admission that they are supporting.
Okay. Let her answer.
Yes. But on the second front, as far as our national policy is concerned, what we have discussed within the party is the fact that we stand for affirmative action because there are several disadvantaged sections in society. But caste is not the only form of disadvantage. Gender is a form of disadvantage, economic class is a form of disadvantage, the urban-rural divide is a form of disadvantage, and in the long run, reservation is not enough. Till we have good quality education, till we have good quality healthcare, these disadvantages in society cannot be done away with.
But you must respond also to what Shobha Oza said.
Yes.
Your ministers have proven to be disasters. You know, there's one person whose car gets hit by a ball and she thinks that she's being attacked and molested. There's another who's roaming around the streets of Delhi. I don't know where he is tonight unless you've locked him up. He thinks he's Batman. You know, he thinks his job is to enforce the law, not to introduce laws. You know, he's completely taken a different...
flying kites.
Yeah, he's completely taken a different meaning to what law minister means.
Yeah.
The inexperience, Atishi, shows. You've been lucky you've been voted to power, but your ministers are completely inexperienced and not up to the task. Respond.
Of course our ministers are inexperienced. All the people in Delhi knew the fact that we are inexperienced. They didn't vote for us based on our experience. They voted for us based on our intent. Number one. Number two.
Okay, one by one.
Number two. I will not stand by the fact that people say that our ministers have been a disaster. Far from it. Our ministers have shown that they are willing to stand by the people of the city. Tell me, which minister do you know who is accessible to the people, that they can actually go to their homes?
I am so happy. Allow me this.
And say that yes, we have a problem in the city. Yes,